We are live. Hello everyone, this is Rod, Crypto Dynasty. Uh, Today, we're going to talk about what uh, with the crypto winter and what to do next. What's the strategy to go through the crypto winter? We'll read a few articles and give my insight and my suggestion regarding the best strategy and which project you, you may decide to invest. But um, don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button. So let's start right away. Crypto winter is coming. What you need to know? Well, I guess we're already in crypto winter. Since the stablecoin meltdown early May, all I have been on Bitcoin is the key bellwether for the cryptocurrency market. And before the big downdraft early this week, the price of BTC or Bitcoin had been struggling to remain near the psychological threshold of 28,000. But it's not just Bitcoin that has been feeling down pressure. Ethereum and other leading altcoins such as Cardano, Polygon, they all are all over more than 60% year to date. Meanwhile, the major crypto exchanges like Coinbase, Gemini announced hiring freeze and layoff in early June. Share of Coinbase have fallen 86% from their 52% 50-week high, and the company has announced plan to lay off roughly 18% of its workforce as the crypto market during the year start in a bear market. Tarek Herman Winkelhaus, the CEO of President of China, announced in June blog post that the industry has entered contraction at the level of crypto winter. Here, where we are now, in the contraction phase that's settling into a period of stasis, what our industry refer to crypto winter. The Winklevoss memo sits current macroeconomic and geopolitical turmoil as a catalyst for troubling the evolution. What is crypto winter? The phrase crypto winter is like it came from the HBO series from Game of Thrones, and the show the motto of the House of Stark was "Winter is coming." It was considered to be warning the last conflict could descend of the land of Westeros at any time. Similarly, an extended period of trouble may be setting over the crypto market. During a difficult time, you must remain vigilant and be prepared for chaos to sweep off the market without much warning. Defining the phrase even more likely crypto is when price contract remain low for extended period. Analysts believe the wheel of emerging crypto winter is here to set in motion early 2022. Crypto market was already feeling the effect of world events, especially the Russia-Ukraine conflict that caused turmoil in global finance, say Igor Sakharov, CEO of DBX Digital Ecosystem. Zakharov noted the high inflation is driving rising interest rate in the US, which is the biggest player in the crypto. By the time Terra USD and Luna collapsed and set a motion of domino effect into the crypto world, crypto winter had already begun, he said. Since November 2021, the crypto market has dropped 60%, drastically falling from 3 trillion to less than 1 trillion after this wording. The advantage of crypto winter. This is not the first time crypto winter has set over the market. The last crypto winter last January 2018 to December 2020. The term was probably first used in 2018 when Bitcoin lost more than half of the market cap. Other cryptos such as Ethereum and Bitcoin dropped sharply. We know from experience that crypto winter is a lot like a commercial bear market, and the results aren't too dissimilar from the bear market and other asset classes. Long-term crypto winter weed of young startup and present opportunity for top company to mature improve their product. We saw a lot of new startups throughout the industry over the past year, and many of them will fail, said Jack Weiner, founder CEO on comment. We know that it's a get tougher to compete for venture capitalist dollar. More crypto companies will be cutting budget. Unfortunately, some will be forced to lay off staff. If the market remains contented for long enough, it's only the poor company that will suffer, but some great one too, he said. The good news, those companies that unlikely as crypto, a lot of crypto venture capital already amassed war chest and they will continue to deploy. As the crypto went through the late 2020, there was a period of incredible growth that lasted for most of 2021. When does crypto want to start? Another say the crypto winter usually began when the sheep from all-time high the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin hit 52 weekly at 68,000 November 2021 before starting extend down plunge. Over the last 7 months, because created we lost dipping 70% from November 21 to mid-June. The most recent letdown coming CSO scandal. The original crypto has regained some footing for 52-week low trade around 22,600. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, have dropped 74% since November peak of the rising. Experts say experience from the Federal Reserve monetary policy tight are worsening the June downturn, and the institutional investors are driving sale. Any investor who purchased Bitcoin last year will have experienced loss or original crypto at side on. Before our last crypto winter, Bitcoin has reached a high of nearly 19,500 in 2017 before finding loss in 3,300 in 2008, representing a loss of 83%. Crypto as risky asset. The crypto risk asset. The crypto market soared in late 2020 through 2021, partly because the Federal Reserve was infusing immense amount of liquidity into the financial market. This helped fill the crypto market. Only major hyper-growth phase with 1,000 new crypto projects added in 2021. The massive growth phase continued until the bottom start fall of last year. When the liquids pulled from the market, the most speculative assets are hit the hardest. I will sit here and no more speculative assets like class the cryptocurrency said Robert Johnson, professor of finance, that really called a business created university. Will crypto come right back when it comes to predicting the future of crypto market? Most experts say the stronger crypto should prevail. I don't expect crypto to come right back in 2021 because the 12 of Federal Reserve monetary policy has actually become a fund for the asset class. Don't say adding to this part of win-win, we could still see the crypto market rise from the ashes. Yes. Okay, sorry about that. But some investors love the pullback, view a time to double down the market for term. When Bitcoin's trading around 30,000, slightly less than half a 50-week high, MSC view as an opportunity to buy a discount. They are breaking crypto river once the global political economic crisis settle. This is my third crypto winter. There are plenty of up and down, but I see that it's an opportunity. Fidelity Investment CEO Abigail Johnson put our audience at consensus 2022 in Austin, Texas. I raised to be contrary thinker. Also have this knee-jerk reaction. If you believe the fundamental of a long-term case are real strong, when everybody else dipping out, it's the time to double down and go extra hard on it. I agree with that. That's a good article. That's explain what's crypto winter, what's the risk, and uh, uh, what you expect the next few months or maybe 2 or 3 years. The market will be down. There's a lot of opportunity. The strong project will survive. We have to look the fundamental and do the research and invest and be patient. Have the right mindset. Also, one more thing we can add to the mix: the stock market is in crisis. We can expect a crash of the stock market, and that's another reason why a lot of people and also some hedge fund put money in AMC, GameStop, and they took their liquidity from the crypto to pay the margin call in the stock market. That's another reason why the crypto market went down. And after the incoming stock market crash, a lot of people would put their money in crypto because they need a new place. And also after crypto regulation, that will also help. give confidence to your institution and corporation and some people to invest in crypto. So we can expect in the next 10 to 15 months, a lot of people will jump on crypto market. But for the initiated or people that know crypto, it's a great time if you have the funding. Of course, you have the money to invest. You can invest right now. You can invest every month, 2 months. You put some a little bit of money, and you put in a project you believe in. Now, let me show you another website quickly. It won't be long. Let me find the article because it's too true. Another article. I'm not gonna read everything, but I want to show you something quickly. Crypto winter watch how the big layoff record withdrawal and bankruptcy sparked by the 2 trillion crash. That's a side effect of the crypto crash, but actually that's not entirely true because we expect the rise of the interest rates by the Fed by Mr. Powell. We expect, like I said, we expect Mr. Powell this week, August 26th, say it will rise the interest rate because the inflation is killing everyone, and it will bring some pain. So we can expect more wave of layoff. We already have some layoff, but the next one will be huge. Lot of layoff. You know, also some hedge fund that can barely pay their margin call, like Citadel and others, will probably go bankrupt, and that alone will create chaos in the market. Let's go back to the article for a second. Another crypto lender is fading. Let's see. Another crypto lender is fading off, forcing liquidation and more firm to lay off hundreds of workers this week, making the latest casualty of a bear market that continues to lead part of disruption of the digital currency sector. Fear of global recession, the worst inflation more than 40 years, wreck havoc against cryptocurrency market is there, unleashing fierce crypto winter that forced on high flying firm into bankruptcy, push investors into panic selling mode. The turmoil has claimed only 2 trillion, while market value billion of dollars is frozen, found thousands of jobs, but current quality only mark the beginning of the storm. There will be other that come forward with trouble. I don't think it's in here. Marcus Stewart analyzed the London digital asset brokerage club on block to form last month. Nothing that close to over a dozen firms, including Peter Thiel, Back, Volve, Face, Uncertainty fade after locking customers out their fund or initiating recent proceeding over the past month. It's going to be a sustained period of pain, he said. Anyone guess whether the current crypto barrel will ultimately revolve the year-long crypto winter 2014-2018? That is swapping 80% from Bitcoin price while crushing hundred of proposing new token. So we can see I jump to this section. The world largest cryptocurrency launch. We can see 2017, 2018, 19. Then you get back at the beginning 2021. So you can expect a lot of layoffs. So I'm not going to read everything, but you get the point. So we can expect a lot of layoff with the incoming market crash, the rise of the interest rate, the geopolitical inflation. So we have a lot of factor that will make things worse for the economy, for the crypto market, the stock market, and everything. Now let's look something regarding the project. We can look at. Okay, let's look. Okay, this is one of the website. I like to love this website because it give a lot of news regarding the financial world, especially in tech and crypto. We have a lot of article and also information regarding promising project. Uh, People need to do their diligence and educate themselves, do their research. Uh, that's one of the websites I recommend. Um, this this article right now, crypto indexes face another group of customers who want their money back. We know some platform have issue, and it's good to know what's going on with the platform and the scandal. This way, we can be aware of what's going on and do better research. Also, we can know about different news or risk. For example, scammer and metaverse. Um, yes, like any industry, there's some like any industry, there's some risk, some scammer or some platform they have a financial problem. Um, there are a lot of news good and there are a lot of news good and bad, and but also we can find information regarding promising project. So when we look on that, they have a lot of link article. That's a good website to look. And also when you look on those with different project, you can see after you do diligence and you investigate, uh, you can look project the tokenomic allow of those new project, the price, the token are cheap. You can get a lot of token for cheap. So if you invest $50, that's not a big deal. You can get 50 million or 20 million, sometime billion of token. And if the project continue to grow, in 3 to 5 year later, if you reach the token reach, I don't know, 10 cents or $1, and you have 200 uh, token or 5 billion, you'll be happy. Well, of course, you have to do your diligence and do your research. And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but I can give you my insight and share my knowledge and my experience with the in the industry. Another things too, I understand depending of people's the everyone have a different budget, but you can we have also the opportunity to accumulate tokens. So you regularly you buy a little bit. You put $50, 100, 200, 500, depending on your budget, and you accumulate. So what I mean by that, you don't need to put your rent money or your mortgage money uh, on crypto. So after you pay your bill, but you have $500 left, you can put a $50 or $100, depending on what you want to do. And but of course, you have to do your research first to know which project uh, have a great uh, potential of return on investment. That's the first thing you need to do, and know your budget. If you need that money right now, that's not a good idea to invest. But if you can wait 2, 3, 5 year, you can invest. You can invest every once in a while, every 2 months, 3 months, or maybe every month, depending on your budget. Now, also, don't wait for the hype to invest. Move in silence. What I mean by that, a lot of people try to jump on the bandwagon on the train when it's moving, when there's a lot of hype. And a lot of time that's not the best time to invest. Why? Because the price of the token is more expensive. Two, also, unfortunately, we have a big wealth to do a lot of market manipulation, meaning the when they see a lot of people jumping on the wave to do market manipulation to drop the price, and some people lose their money. And later, when the price go down, the big well buy back those token for cheap. Then wait 2, 3 year when the market get back up, and when is there a lot of hype and to do market manipulation or to sell the liquidity, and that create a lot of panic seller and the price drop. So that's something you need to be aware of. Of course, when the price drop and you already have money on it, you for the most part, if that's a good project, you keep your money, you wait. If you can, you buy more, and when it go back up, now you sell. Because for most people are not day trader. So therefore, that's mean uh, you're long-term investor, meaning 3 to 5 or 10 years, different depending on the project. So you need to wait, even though when the market go down. Okay, let me share another article quickly. This is another article that's very good. CryptoPotato.com. This link have a lot of information regarding crypto, regarding NFT, DeFi, and the latest news, the market update, the interview, and the different project. You can get a lot of information on this website. You can see different article. Okay, so that's a good article that give information. Is there other article or like current market cap? Is there NFT marketplace like OpenSea? There are a lot of websites we can find information, but this one is good too. And also sometimes people talking about new project. People are not aware, and with the information they give, you can do your proper research. And also, one more thing people need to understand: the Fed, that's one entity in the United States, but they're going to push a crypto regulation, and they will target a stable point. So my advice to you is, um, first of all, do your research, and look for a stable coin you like, because there are a lot of stable coin, and stack up different stable coin, because stable coin you will regulate the stable coin, and it may be more difficult to get stable coin in the future. And with a stable coin, a lot of time you can get to stable coin, and then if you want to sell them, or convert in fiat currency, or stack those stable coin, because usually when the market go up or go down, the price remains stable. It's those stable coin for the most part have a parity with the dollar, or the different currency. So it's a good time to get stable coin, because, like I said, stable coin are like safeguard for the most part in cryptocurrency. So, like I say, people need to educate themselves, do their research, look for promising project. Uh, if they can, regularly buy some crypto and accumulate crypto, and also get some stable coin, and have the right mindset, because it's a long term investor usually. Before to have a good return investment for the vast majority of the project is 3 to 5 years, sometimes more than that. If we look this year, of Bitcoin, initially was $1, then it was $30 around 2013, and it went last year to 62,000 by coin. So it can take a lot of time before you get a good return investment. And also don't get distracted by the 43 and 60 and the DAO. So don't forget to click the like and the subscribe button. If you have any question or comment, leave it in the comment section. And if you want to support, I'll left my people link on the description. And also have my online store on Redbubble and Teespring. You can take a look. If you have any product, you can purchase, or you can ask me question regarding those products. So thanks for your time, and until next time, bye bye.